What is up, guys, and hello YouTube. This afternoon I just want to take a few minutes to talk about one of my favorite, what I would not consider budget but value oriented knife, the Big Tao by Kunwu Knives. I'm going to talk about this knife and the X-Tao by Kunwu Knives, both of which are sub $200 knives. They are made out of ELMAX, heat treated right around 62 HRC according to their website. The Big Tao has a flipper deployment, has a front flipper deployment, full titanium frame lock, again with ELMAX steel, about a 3.5 inch blade, about an 8.25 inch knife, but just a fantastic knife. Again, for under $200. This knife can be purchased, full tie, ELMAX, and then Kunwu is pushing out all types of different knives. They have Kickstarters to find out what the community's after, and they get feedback. They take a lot of that feedback, and when they released the X-Tao, they had gotten some feedback about different locking mechanisms. So Kunwu came out with the Kunwu X-Tao. It's about the exact same size and dimensions as the Big Tao, but it uses what they are calling their XT lock, which we all know is an axis lock or a bar style lock. The one thing I'll say about this axis or bar style lock is it is the smoothest that I've ever encountered. It's smoother than the Shadow. It is smoother than my Tuya Big Belly. I can't really do it sideways, but this is just an absolutely delightful axis lock, river lock, which was called a TRM is what we would call it. But since it's a Kunwu, they call it the XT lock. So when you look at these two knives, you can see that Kunwu is doing something very, very cool. They're bringing high quality knives. They are imported. They do come from China. But they are original designs, and they are very well made knives. I've had the Kunwu regular Tao for a little over a year, put it through its paces, still perfectly centered, still has fantastic actions, gone through a couple of sharpenings. And then the X-Tao is a little bit newer. The detent on the X-Tao, since it is that XT lock, is going to be a little bit lighter. But it's still, I mean, for a bar lock, which you can flick open if you want to, where you can just give it thumb studs. If I could see my middle finger, I could give it middle finger flicks too. But anyway, just want to take a couple of minutes and talk about what I think is the best value in imported knives under $200, and that would be the Kunwu Tao and the Kunwu X-Tao. And then before I let y'all go, please look out for the person to your left. Please look out to the person to your right. Guys, know we're all going to have disagreements and agree to disagree. It's what makes us different. It's what makes us unique. But most importantly, love each other. Love the community. Love each of us. And let's all just kind of rise together and continue this journey through sharp and pointy things. Peace. Love y'all. Avoid finger cuts. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.